7 Microsoft 365 tricks that quietly give you time back. The last one matters most. 1. Turn a message into a task. First, stop losing jobs in your inbox. In Outlook, flag an email or drag it onto the To-Do icon, and it becomes a task you can actually track. 2. Schedule send. Write it now and send it later. Click the arrow next to send, choose Schedule Send and pick a sensible time. 3. Move a paragraph in Word. No more cut and paste in Word. Click anywhere in a paragraph, then press Alt, Shift and the up or down arrow. The whole paragraph jumps into place. 4. Flash. Fill in Excel. Let Excel do the typing. Type what you want in the first cell, say just the first name, then press Ctrl-E. Flash Fill spots the pattern and fills the rest. 5. Webinar in Teams. Run a proper webinar in Teams. Go to Calendar, click the arrow beside New Meeting and choose Webinar. You get a registration page and an attendee list built right in. 6. PowerPoint Designer. Instant slide makeovers. Drop your text and images onto a plain slide, head to the Design tab and click Designer. Then pick a polished layout from the suggestions on the right. 7. Share files securely. The important one, share files safely. Save to OneDrive, click Share and choose specific people instead of anyone. Set view or edit, add an expiry date. Job done. So which will you try first? Follow for more or find us at better-it.uk.